Floof, I need a lasso.
Floof!
Thanks, Floof. Lavender, can you shrink down and tie this around the bear's tummy?
Swirl and a twirl, I'll give it a whirl. Flitter flower, micro power! Hold still, little bear. I'll try not to tickle you. It's on him! Pull away! Go get your mama, little bear! Floof!
Now I see what's happening. That drone is flying around taking pictures of the bears.
That's why the baby lost his balance on the cliff. The drone was bothering him. Then it'll go away if it can't see them. Inviso power!
Sorry, no bears. But you can take pictures of us.
Floof!
There you go, bears. No more drones, no more problems.
Unless it comes back. I say we follow it, find out who's controlling it, and make sure they stop bothering the bears.
Ah, wonderful. Let's see how my wild bear pictures turned out. Ah, yes! Wild bears in action! I'll make mega bucks selling these. Ah, that's the worst picture I've ever seen.
How dare you!